That's it, Bree. Now 2 more and you're done. Wow, good fight.